Hey, it's AKAJK, and today I have another vlog on the channel. In this video I'm going to be doing a similar vlog to one that I filmed before, where I've lost all the footage. So I'm going out with a deep to practice for the World Scholars Cup. You guys probably don't have that much information on this World Scholars Cup because I lost all the footage on it. Basically we won first place and we qualified to the next round, which is in Kuala Lumpur. I'm sorry, you guys pronounce it however you want. Anyway, that is next month. Oh, I don't know, I'm filming this in like mid-May, and then the competition is in mid-June. But anyway, I'm going to be heading off to school, and then I'll see you at the meeting with Eddie, which is one of my partners. So let's go.
Even if it's like in my presence, I can still see you.
So Eddie thinks he can sue me, even though he wants to be in the video. Yo, you want to be in the vlog? Okay, they don't want to be in the vlog. So yeah, they can sue me. Anyway, this is my KFC. I'm just chilling. So is you. Now we'll talk after this stuff is done. Okay, now I'm actually ready to start vlogging properly inside. So I went out obviously with a Deeb, went to Costa, finished all the revision, I'm back. So we have end of year exams in 3 weeks time, like a ton of them. So I got to grind the end of year exams, and as well as obviously making YouTube videos, but obviously I can't spend as much time making them. So I'm not trying to say there's going to be some like cut down on videos or something. Nope, I'm just telling you this for no reason whatsoever. Also, if you don't know what happened during the World Scholars Cup, I can explain that to you right now. So essentially, the World Scholars Cup, you can watch some videos on it by the guy that actually founded it, which is Daniel Berdichevsky. So anyway, it's this competition. You go, you get a ton of exams and tests in different kind of ways, multiple choice essays. You know, there's clicker questions where they have questions on the screen, whatever. It's really fun. We had a talent show. I think I might still have the talent show clips. Anyway, the global round is in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, in roughly 4 weeks from now. So yeah, during that entire time is going to be Ramadan. If you don't know what that is, it's this Muslim month where you have to fast from like Fajr, which is sunrise, till Maghrib, which is sunset. So it's like 4 till 7, 4 in the morning, to like 7 in the evening. You can't eat or drink anything. So, yep, that's going to be there. Plus the exams, plus the YouTube grind, plus this World Scholars Cup, plus this camera shake. Sorry about that, just trying to amplify. So anyway, that's just going to be there. So you obviously see there's a lot of things that I need to do. And anyway, that's kind of about it. Let me go and do some stuff now. When you try to make revision look pretty, that is some hardcore shit there. Anyways, this was, I don't know how long this vlog was, but it comes to an end right here, right now. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe to my channel so you can support me. You can go and become a patron. You can get early access to like videos, get extra courses, a ton of other things. Yeah, go check that out right now. All the links in the description down below, along with all social medias if you want to connect with me on a deeper level. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Turn notifications so you're notified when I make tomorrow's upload. 4 PM GMT, usually every day, like that's usual time. And yep, I will see you tomorrow, because here at AKAJK, the grind is daily.